Hi guys, I am Chris Bagnall. I'm the drummer for Black Bear Kiss. I've recently signed up with Collision Drumsticks, having had a bit of a consultation with them about some endorsement type things, which is really nice for a small artist. So Black Bear Kiss has been going since 2016. Plenty of tracks out there that you can listen to on all the usual spaces. We love a music video, so if you like things that are a bit out of the ordinary, go and have a look on our YouTube channel. Just look for Black Bear Kiss Official, and then take from there. So my collision sticks of choice at the moment, the 5BR. They're a little bit bigger, a little bit chunkier than the last sticks I've used for previous playing with another company, not mentioning names. But ultimately, I just find the balance of them is really, really cool. They don't feel heavy for a big stick. They're quite flowing in your fingers. It just gives me the feel that I need. Although this is the first time I've played with them. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to play a track which is one of Black Bear Kiss tracks. It's called Tightrope. It was released last year. It's out in the usual places. Go check it out, but this should be how it's played. Whether it is, we'll see. Yeah, man. So that's probably one of our heaviest songs. So they really felt good in that. Really, really good. They're a little bit longer than the other ones, which is quite good because for some reason I tend to hold them a little bit looser and they slide up and down my fingers and my thumbs a little bit, but they felt really good. There's no sort of lack of grip in that sense as well, so they slide, but they slide with good control. The last set of sticks I had some paint on them, which I didn't really like. They just get slipping out of the way. But no, I mean, considering I've just given it a good go, there's a couple of little marks in them, which you'd expect because it's wood against metal. But other than that, really impressed, really impressed. So yeah, hopefully you've liked this video. Hopefully you can follow the band, follow me. Got my own little Facebook page as well, which is Chris Bagnall drummer. If you go on all the social media places, it's on there, except for Instagram, which is Didum-ting. I'm a drummer after all. So yeah, that's what we like. Want me to give me a shout. If you want any advice, come to speak to one of the team or me, drop me a message. I'll reply as quick as I can for you. Thank you very much. All the best.